Page 22, Lavender's Blue. Now we get a little piece so we can practice this dynamic stuff. They're giving you the dynamics for each staff to help you out for now. Normally you just get one dynamic in the middle and you have to know. So first thing is, let's get the notes and all that junk worked out. We got 3/8 times, so now an eighth note gets a count. There's only equivalent to 3/8 notes in a measure. One sharp, this is in the key of G major. That's fine. In the right hand, you have the G and the B. You're in this position, and then here, next measure, and then this 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth measure over. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and. See, the 16th notes are 1 and 2 and 3 and, because an eighth note gets a count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and. So, simple enough, I hope. Then the left hand. 1 and 2 and 3. Thumb up. And then bring the hand up in this 4/2. And you're going to stay here. So you work out these chords at the end. A C, E, and then a C, D, and a B, C, B, D, something. And when you can get that one hand at a time, try putting the hands together. Now watch out on this. You got a quarter note. That's 2/8 notes. So lift it up on beat 3. 2, 3. Work it out so you can get that notes and the fingering and all that. Then we go in and we add the articulation. And to keep this video a little shorter, I'm going to add the dynamics too. Dynamics, the melody. The left hand has it to start and then the right hand gets it. So you simply just bring out the melody. So it's here. And it's legato, pretty much. And then switch it. Now the right hand gets it. Now you get a staccato. And there. So it's here. Bring out the right hand. There. So you're bringing out the melody all the way through, because the melody can go anywhere. It does that. Let's do a play with me, just to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do dynamics, which is really what this is about. They want the dynamics. But I'm interested that you got the right notes and right rhythms, because that's really important. And we're going to go really slow, too. So I'll give us 3 counts, 3/8 notes, because an eighth note gets a beat. 1, ready, go.